Hi reception, welcome back. This is Miles here. I hope you're all well and you've had a lovely weekend. Back to phonics now. How exciting. Okay, if you haven't got anything to write with or anything to write on, do you want to pause the video, go and find a pen or a pencil and a piece of paper or a pad, because you're going to need it when we do our spelling and our handwriting. Okay, so if you need those now, pause the video and go and get them. Fabulous. Right, let's see who's ready. Magnet eyes, listening ears. Let's learn our next special friend. Are we ready? Unk. 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 Fabulous. Unk. 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 It's quite a hard one to make. It's quite tiring sometimes making that noise. Okay, let's have a look at some pictures that have got the unk sound in them, in the word. And all of them have the unk sound at the end of the word, not at the beginning, at the end. Okay, we've got a chain and they join together by link. They link together. Can you say that? Link. Unk, link. Oh no, this pirate's boat is about to sink. Unk, sink. And these children are skating on an ice rink. Unk, rink. So we've got rink, sink, link. They all have the unk sound at the end of them. Link. Very good. Let's have a look at the picture that goes with the sound. There's a rat in a cage, and the rat in the cage says, "Oh, I think I stink. Stink. I think I stink. Unk. I think I stink." Can you say that? And it's a stretchy sound. Unk. It's just got that k at the end. Unk. If I was going to write that sound, okay, so I take my picture away. Special friend, remember? So 2 letters or 3, but this one's got 2, making one sound. Looks like that. Unk. Okay, and I've joined them together there. Can you see? If I do my small one, like you would, when you're writing, that's what it looks like, okay? Make sure it looks unk. There it is there. Remember, we write it with a looped K, a looped K, but this one has a different one. It doesn't matter. They both make the same sound. When you see this side, I want you to say unk. I think I stink. And when you see this side, I want you to say unk. Are we ready? Are we ready? Unk. Unk. I think I stink. Unk. I think I stink. Unk. 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 I think I stink. Fantastic, well done. Okay, let's put our small card in with some of the sounds that we already know. Are we ready? Super speedy, nice and short. Let's go. What's that one? Not an I, it's a J. Give the unk a wave when you see it. Or a thumbs up or a jazz hands. Unk. Let's hide it again. There it is again. Thumbs up. Let's do one more time. Nice and speedy. Let's go. Right, mixture of cards in here. There it is. Fabulous. Well done. Okay. We're going to practice handwriting now. Practice writing the sound. Remembering, I've got my lines. If you haven't got lines, it's fine, don't worry, but I'm showing you how to write on the line, okay? Make sure that you are holding your pencil together, crocodile snaps, and you rest it. Can you see how with mine? So I've got between my thumb and my second finger there, and you rest it on the middle finger, okay? So we're going to start with unk. And we're going to try and join the sound together. I'm going to write it first, and I'm going to show you. Okay, so I join the sounds together. My k is a lot taller than the n, can you see? And as we write it, I want you to say, unk, I think I stink. Just for a few of those. Unk, I think I stink. Unk, I think I stink. And you see, when you write them as well, make sure you've got the n first and then the k. Don't do the k first. Okay, this time when you write it, just say the sound. K. K. Fabulous, well done. Okay, if you need a bit longer, pause the video. If not, let's have a go at writing the sound. Remember to join them together. They're both the same size. Thank you. Thank you. They're both as tall as each other. Can you see? This time, just say the sound. Fabulous, well done. Okay, let's have a go at writing a word that has the unk sound in it. And we're going to write the word that goes with the pirate ship, which is sink. Count the sounds in sink. S-I-unk, s-I-unk. 3 sounds. S-I-unk. Pinch the sounds. S-I-unk, s-I-unk. Write it. S-I-unk. S-I-unk. Make sure the letters are next to each other. S-I-unk. Are you ready? First sound. S-I. S-I-unk. Underline your special friend. S-I-unk. S-I-unk. Give yourself a tick for your I and your unk. Correct it if you need to. Take a look at mine. Pause the video if you need to change yours. If not, next word, think. Pinch the sounds for think. Th-I-unk, th-I-unk, th-I-unk. 3 sounds, pinch them. Th-I-unk, th-I-unk. Write it. Th-I-unk. Keep saying the sounds. Write the sounds down. Underline your special friend. Th-I-unk. Are we ready? Th-I-unk. So I need to keep saying the sounds so I write them. Underline that special friend. Th-I-unk. That's the special friend we've learnt today. Th-I-unk. I've underlined my special friends. Can you see? Th-I-unk. Th-I-unk. Tick or correct your I and your unk. Give the video a pause if you need to catch up. Think, have a look at those and correct where you need to. Okay? Fabulous. Well done. Right, put your pencils and your paper to one side. You'll need them again in a minute. Okay, let's go through special friends, Fred Talk, and read our green words. Okay, remember, when you're looking for your special friend, look for the line. What's the special friend there? Unk. Off you go. Special friend. Fred Talk. Read the word. Stink. Stink. 2 special friends. Can you tell me what they are? And brilliant. Fred Talk. Read the word. Think. Think. Special friend. Let me turn it round. I've got my dots and dashes there. Sorry. Special friend. Fred talk. Read the word. Wink. Wink. Can you wink? Fabulous. Special friend. Fred talk. Read the word. Trip. You might take a trip to go see something, or you might fall over. Trip and fall over. Trip. Special friend. Fred talk. Read the word. Fluff. A cat might be quite fluffy, or you might have some fluff on your clothes. Fluff. Special friend. Fred talk. Read the word. Skip. You might be skipping around. Skip. Brilliant. And back to the beginning. Well done. Fantastic. Okay, our next set of words, we've got no dots and dashes. I'm going to hold them to myself, and remember, you read the word when I push it forward. First time round, I want you to whisper the sounds. So Fred whisper, but Fred talk, so you whisper. Off you go. Fred talk. Brilliant. Fred talk. Fred talk. Careful. Fred talk. Fred talk. Brilliant. Well done. Back to the beginning. Okay, this time, don't want to hear anything. Fred in your head. So you say this out. You Fred talk in your head. So you say it in your head. And I'm going to push it forward a little bit quicker. Off you go. Fred in your head. 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 If I'm going too fast, pause the video, okay? Pause the video till you've read it. Let's just go through these words. Jam. Fun. Get. Fish. Rat. I'm going to mix them up. Okay, mix them up, and I'm just going to move them a little bit quicker so we get fluent, we get quick with our reading. Off we go. Do it in your head. Well done. Brilliant. Well done. Some tricky words there, and you did really, really, really well to read them. Okay, we're going to do hold a sentence. Hold a sentence. Can you remember right back how you did your hold a sentence? Okay, so the sentence is fun in the sun. Fun in the sun. Fun in the sun. Fun in the sun. Got a tricky word, a red word in there. And the red word in there, if I do it this way, is the word the. We should all remember how to write that word because we did it so much before we finished at school. The. Okay? Fun in the sun. How many words? Fun in the sun. 4 words. What's the first word? Fun. Fun. Count the sounds for fun. 3 sounds. Pinch the sounds. F, o, n. F, o, n. O. F, o, n. F, o, n. What do I need next? I need my finger space. Fun in. 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 Fun in. Fun in. Fun in the. There's my red word down there, although it's written in blue, but we normally have them on red cards. Fun in the. Fun in the. Can I fit the next word there? No, I can't, so I'm going to go underneath. Fun in the sun. S. What comes next? S. O. S. O. S. O. N. S. O. N. Fun in the sun. Full stop. Fun in the sun. Okay, I'm going to rub off. I'm going to have a go at rubbing off. Okay, I want you to have a go at writing that sentence. Fun in the sun. I want you to pause the video. There's the word the. Quickly get it written. I want you to pause the video until you've written fun in the sun. When you've written fun in the sun, press play and we'll be ready to start again. Pause your video. Right, you should have all had a go at writing fun in the sun. Okay, I'm going to write it again on my board. All right, and then I want you to check with yours. Fun. F-o-n. Fun. Finger space, leave a space. In. Fun in the. There's our red word. Remember. Write it down if you're not sure. Fun in the sun. Full stop. Fun in the sun. Take a look at mine and have a look at yours. If yours is the same, brilliant, well done. If it's not, don't worry, just change what you need to change. Fun, and read it through. Fun in the sun. Okay? Well done, everyone. That's the first time we've done hold a sentence. So we're going to carry on doing that. If you can, take a picture of your hold the sentence and then pop it on Class Dojo for your teachers to see. I really love seeing things on Class Dojo, so it'd be really nice if you could do that for your teachers. Okay? All right, have a lovely day and I'll see you next time. Bye.